I just ordered a lamp off of Amazon, and the idea is to use it for an adjustable camera rig. So I'll show you how this is going to work. There it is. I'm going to take the wiring out of it because that's not what I'm going to use it for. But the idea is I'm going to remove this light fixture, attach this to my workbench, and then I'll be able to move this around with the camera on the end right here. Let's take this off. Alright, let's put that back. That's going to be important later. Now I'm going to figure out how to pull out this wiring. Alright, I think the best way to do this is by taking the plastic mechanism that came with the lamp and figuring out a way to incorporate it. I have this scrap piece of aluminum. It's 1/4 inch thick, 1 inch wide. And what I'm going to try to do is form part of it to sit into this saddle right here for the plastic piece that used to hold the lamp, and then I'll bend this other side down and it'll be the handle to move it around. Let's see how this works. Alright, so here's my handle. That's where the camera is going to go on. Then I can push it back away, grab it out, do some filming.